Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have these two boxes right here. The bottom box is from Boxycharm Pop. Was waiting for my second box to arrive before I did it. I just wanted to make one video. And then real fast, I have a replacement for a Tarte product that I bought that was damaged. And real fast, I'll just show you. I had asked, just if you remember from the video, the quench, the seam was split and a lot of the product had come out. And I had asked them, just replace the quench. Everything else was perfectly fine. They said, no worries. They sent me the entire kit. I didn't have to send them photos, nothing, which I did have photos. They just said, we'll replace it and we'll replace the entire kit. And I had this probably for a few days now, and it was shipped, I think, the next day, and it came rather quickly. So now I have a duplicate of that. Wanted to just quick share that with you. Great customer service at Tarte, and like I said, no questions, and it was taken care of. I love that about a company. So these are my Boxy pop-up. I didn't get that much from Boxy, just a few things that I had been wanting. Sorry for the noise. And here is a little sneak peek into my box. I'm trying to do this. I'm sorry if you hear my fan in the background. It's, even with the air conditioning on, it's so hot and humid here. If I don't have the fan on, and I know it blows my hair and drives me crazy, but it just gets, with the lights on, it gets so warm up here. So now I ordered two separate orders, and I'll find the items that belong in the one order. Let me see if I can take everything out of this box, maybe. And then that might make it easy. Oh, that was a little pop. Might make it a little bit easier than to move this off to the side. Less noise. So these are all, I think, one order. I'm not really sure what I did. I think these two products here are the one order that I made. Like I said. And I'm wearing my new Pat McGrath lip balm that I got in one of my Sephora favorites. It's just a lip balm. I thought it was more like a lipstick, which I'm perfectly fine with. Great shade, just for everyday, casual. It's not really sticky, and I have a fuzzy on my camera. Excuse me. Okay, that would drive me crazy. I can see it moving. I love it. It's moisturizing. Like I said, it's not tacky, and it has a nice color to it. So what I received, or what I ordered in this, is a wet brush cleaning system from Lavish. Right here, and this is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. It has with a silicone scrubbing pad in it. I don't know if I held that up long enough. So I'm excited for that. I mean, I have a few of those. That was $4, and then this was $4 also, right here. And this is from Kinder Beauty. This is the Kinder Glow highlighting palette. And I think I did get one of these, but I wanted one for a giveaway. Let me see if I can, unless it's a different shade, which I will check. If it is, then I'll keep it. But if it's the same shade as the one I received, then I'll put this in a giveaway. Nice packaging right here. It tells you on the back what they are. It's really cute. Trying to get this stuff open is a little bit trying. It does have a mirror. It does have a protective shield. So this is what this looks like. So I'm going to compare this to the one that I have. If they're identical, I will add this to my giveaway. Let's get that in there. I just thought for the price, that is really a cute little highlighting kit to throw in your bag, your makeup bag, or throw in your handbag and take with you. So that was $8, right? $8? No, did I get something else? Yes, there was something else on that also. Let me see. Oh, I have too many screenshots here. I don't know what is what. So those two items. There's something else there. Let me just see. I'm just going to do them all. It's not worth it for me to try to separate it. I know it was two separate orders. The next thing I got was from Honest Beauty, and this is a Lip Crown Demi Matte. I don't know if this tells me a shade anywhere. right here. And this is in melon. I don't know, $4. I've been, and this is sealed. Loving lip crowns. I always have. Let me just try to open this. Yeah, that's gonna. Okay. How's everybody doing these days? Oh, just exhausted. Just exhausted. I'm sure like everybody else. It's pretty good size. I love a good lip crown. There it is right there. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. Love. I'm loving all these like corals and more leaning towards like the orangey reds, but without it being orangey red. You know what I mean? So that was nice. And for $4, that's a good. Oh, my phone. I have my phone. That's what I'm using. I definitely think it's worth it. This is something that I wanted right here, and this is from Cover Effects. When they initially gave them in our box, and I got dark. I'm sorry, that would be more for African American skin tones, a deeper Latino skin tone, Latina, well, or Latino. Definitely not my skin tone. And I was going to trade with someone, and they were all for the trade, and then they swatched it. I'm like, well, now we can't trade. And they didn't understand why we couldn't trade. And I'm like, well, their hands were in it. I'm sorry. You know. So this is what this looks like. And I wanted this. And I've wanted this for the longest time. And this one is Perfector Face Palette in light medium. Just going to see if I can get this without destroying my nails. Yes. Has a nice mirror. Let me see, what can I put up there? I can block it. So this is what this looks like. So we have, you know, highlighter, contour, finishing powder, a brightener, another highlighter, and a blush. And I'm excited for this. It does have a protective shield on the mirror. And like I said, the one that I received was dark. I think medium dark. I don't believe I still have that. I might have given it away just because I knew I would never use it. And I wanted this because I think this is a great palette to take away once again, just to have one palette for all that kind of stuff. And that face palette, Perfector Face Palette, light, medium, $6. I definitely think it's a bargain. The next item that I have here is from Touch in Sol. I've been loving their products. No Problem Priming Eraser, and that was $6. Prime and Conceal Skin Perfections. Okay, how does this open? This one. Oreos down and about. It's after dinner, and she's all over the place. So that's what this looks like right here. And this is going to be your little blender to blend out. And then this is going to be your product right there. Just putting it on my hand just to see if it'll cover up like some of the dark, you know, like veins and stuff like that. Let's see how that works. I figured why not? A lot of their serums and their stuff that they have is pretty nice. It dulls it down a tiny little bit. Like I added it a little bit over here on the veining versus over here. They're just not as blue. You know, like your veins, you can see them. And I have very thin skin on my hands. My veins just like pop right out of my hand. But that will do good like for simple, you know, little dark spots. So I'm happy for that. As always, love Touch in Sol. The next item that I got, because I don't believe I received this in my boxes and wanted to try it. And this is by Studio Makeup. This is the Tinted Moisturizer. And I got Honey Light. I have no idea if that's going to be proper, excuse me, the proper shade. This is $9. This has formulated with hyaluronic acid, hydrating, firming, and a youthful effect. And it's like a decent tube right here, Studio Makeup. I don't know if it has a seal on it. Oh, it's a little pump. I'm not going to mess with that now, just so I don't have makeup all over me. But that's interesting. But like I said, I've seen that quite a few people using it and liked it. I do think that was everything from my first order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I think 6 items. And I think the total was 30 bucks for those 6 items. $33. I didn't think that was bad at all. And then, where's the next one? Okay, I just have to find it. It's here. That's Boxycharm. Where's... I don't know what one I did first versus which one I did second. Oh, here it is. You know, I absolutely love, love, love Bliss. And I have one that I was using. I got a second one now. I have a third one. Bliss Drench and Quench Hydrating Cream. This was $9. This is cream to water hydrator for all skin types. I love this. So I won't open this. I'll just show you the container. It's plastic. And these are usually pretty full. I mean, I can open it and show you. I don't know if this one has got a... Yeah, it has one of them seals, and I want to leave it sealed down from the factory. I absolutely love this, and I have purchased this multiple times, like at Target and so forth. Love this. It's light. I can slather it on, go to bed. I hate when there's real sticky, then my hair sticking to it, you know, it gets on your pillow, and I don't like all that. Like, I don't like a thick cream. So that I was happy to get. That was $9. And then the other item that I got is from Kors, however you want to say it, right here. And this is the Wild Rose Brightening Set. This is $9. That was $9. Okay, so now I don't need my phone. This is sealed, but I want to open it because I want to see what, I don't remember what was in. You better get away from that button. She did this to me in my other video. She put her nose on my switch for my power strip right when we were having a storm, so I thought it was the power. And no, it was her and her little nose. I think she wanted my attention because she was afraid and not film, spend time with her. So after I got done the video, I stopped until I could get her to chill out a little bit. So this is the box now that it's unwrapped. Let's see. 3 items in here. Cute box. I wonder if you could put like a foam in there and maybe in the bottom, and you could store brushes in there. That would be really cute. So this first product is Wild Rose. They're all probably wild. Vitamin C Brightening 24-hour moisturizer. Trying to read that is a little difficult. Okay. And not a heavy scent, just slight, which is good. That smells good. I'm excited for that. And then what are these little things? Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil. This is really tiny. The little dropper, I'm not going to open that. And then this one, which is a different color, is Spotless Serum 15% Vitamin C. Wow. So that's a cute little set right here. I'm excited to have that. I love the box, and like I said, you could use probably the top and the bottom, put a little bit of like foam or make slits in it, and you could stand up some brushes in there. I think that's really nice. So, and that, I think the total on those two, and I ordered, oh, I just closed that, under my second account that I had, I think, a $10 off. Where is the quarters? I think so. Is that Boxycharm? Yeah, the Kors brightening set was $9 and the Bliss was $9. So let me just expand this. So the total was $18.64 tax, and I had a $10 off as being a new subscriber, because I did get the base box under a second account, so we can do some comparisons. So these two products, which are like my all-time favorite, I love Kors, cost me $8.64, so that made it worth it for that. And you know, if they give you $10 off and you can use it in a pop-up, use it. You can find stuff. I mean, even if you just got one item, and yeah, you're going to do shipping, and I think I think with the first one you get free shipping. I honestly don't remember anymore. I've slept a couple times since then, so who knows? Who knows the answer to all that? But there was no shipping on that, so I think it was free shipping and then the $10 off. So, and I love this, and I would have ordered it under the first order, but I wanted something else to go on this one and use the $10 off. So that is my Boxy pop-up, and these are from last month's pop-up, and then the Tarte replacement item, the kit. And I might share some of those products in a giveaway, but once again, I'm loving the Pat McGrath Labs lip balm. I think it's very, very comfortable. It feels like there's nothing on my lips, and it's hydrating. A little bit of sheen, cute little, you know, little tiny bit of color, not anything over the top, and I'm perfectly fine with that. So I appreciate all you watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.